How do you know if there are termites in your home? To answer this important question, let's first look at how drywood termites can get into your home. It all starts during the swarming season. This time of year varies depending on where you live. During swarming, many mature male and female drywood termites fly away from established colonies looking for places to start new colonies. When the flying swarmers find small openings in wood, a male and female break off their wings and chew their way into the wood to begin new colonies. These swarmers can fly to your home from just about anywhere, from your neighbor's house, a fallen tree outside, wood piles, fences, or utility poles. Any place where there's wood has the potential to have drywood termite colonies. And colonies can have many pairs of swarmers. In fact, they will often reinfest the same structure, causing even more destruction. As new colonies grow in size, more and more wood is damaged. Homes framed with wood aren't the only structures susceptible to drywood termite damage. Colonies can even infest wood inside concrete homes by easily entering through cracks in attic vents, soffits, eaves, windows, and doors. Apartment buildings and condos are appetizing to termites too. Infestation may start in a single unit, but over several swarming seasons, the entire building could easily be infested. Now that you know how termites can get into your home, let's look at how a professional termite inspector can determine if you have termites. There are several clues that might be found. Discarded wings of the swarmers may be found on windowsills, in and around light fixtures, in the attic or similar places where swarmers are exiting the colony. In the same areas, another clue is piles of little pellets left behind by the termites, which are called frass. Also, damaged wood that is severely blistered or sounds hollow when tapped is another sign that you may have a drywood termite infestation. But even if no clues are found, you may still have drywood termites. Colonies are often deep inside a home, invisible to its owner. If you suspect you may have drywood termites, your home should be inspected by a professional termite inspector. So, how do you know when a fumigation with Vicane gas fumigant is right for your home? There are a few factors that you should take into consideration. Obviously, if a termite inspector finds evidence of a drywood termite infestation, you need to work with him to determine a treatment option. If the clues show there is more than one colony, or if the extent of the infestation can't be determined, or if the colony extends beyond easily accessible areas, whole structure fumigation with Vicane is the most preferred option. Another factor is if homes in your neighborhood are infested. Drywood termites easily spread from one home to another. So, if your neighbors are treating their homes for termites, it's time to consider whole structure fumigation with Vicane. The age of your home is also a factor. The older your home, the greater the potential of a termite infestation and even multiple colonies. If your home is 5 to 10 years old, you should consider a fumigation. And the final factor is the time since your last fumigation. Obviously, the longer it's been, the more likely you may have termites. If it's been 5 to 10 years, it's time for another whole structure fumigation with Vicane. As you've seen in this section, determining if you have drywood termites isn't always easy. That's why it's so important to have your home routinely inspected by a professional termite inspector.